Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Vonage have a phone app? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Vonage for their home phone service, but they're not sure if they can use it on their mobile phone. So, I wanted to take some time to answer this question for you. Before I get into the answer, I want to talk a little bit about what Vonage is. Vonage is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service that allows you to make and receive phone calls over the internet. This means that you can use Vonage on your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Vonage phone app. So, does Vonage have a phone app? Yes, Vonage does have a phone app. The Vonage app is available for both Android and iOS devices. The Vonage app has a lot of features, including the ability to make and receive calls from your Vonage number, the ability to send and receive text messages, the ability to check your voicemail, the ability to see your call history, the ability to manage your account settings. The Vonage app is a great way to stay connected to your family and friends, even when you're on the go. How to download and install the Vonage app. If you're interested in downloading and installing the Vonage app, here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Vonage. Download and install the Vonage app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Vonage account information. How to use the Vonage app. Once you have the Vonage app installed, you can start using it right away. Here are a few tips for using the Vonage app. To make a call, tap on the Dialer tab. Then, enter the phone number you want to call. To send a text message, tap on the Messaging tab. Then, enter the phone number you want to text and your message. To check your voicemail, tap on the Voicemail tab. Then, tap on the message you want to listen to. To see your call history, tap on the Call History tab. Then, you can see a list of all your recent calls. To manage your account settings, tap on the Settings tab. Then, you can change your password, add a new phone number, and more. Vonage phone app features. Here are some of the features that I like about the Vonage app. The app is easy to use and navigate. The app has a clean and intuitive interface. The app is packed with features, including the ability to make and receive calls, send and receive text messages, check your voicemail, see your call history, and manage your account settings. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Overall, I think the Vonage app is a great way to stay connected to your family and friends, even when you're on the go. The app is packed with features, it's easy to use, and it's available for both Android and iOS devices. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable phone app, I highly recommend the Vonage app. Additional information. Here are some additional things to know about the Vonage app. The Vonage app is free to download and use. You can use the Vonage app with any Vonage account. The Vonage app requires a data connection to work. The Vonage app is compatible with most Android and iOS devices. I hope this video has answered your question about whether or not Vonage has a phone app. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.